Hi, I'm Hilary, and this is my first attempt at a video. It's about using tagging in your journal as a small, simple, useful way to work with a very big idea. The big idea is this. The cosmos talks to you. You're experiencing an ongoing conversation with the whole. We call this life for short. The thing is, even though there's a lot going on, there is only one conversation. The cosmos is responding something like a giant piano, with an infinite number of strings in sympathetic resonance. Okay, it's probably just as well that I don't have a video camera, as I'm recording this bit while crouching with my microphone under the piano keyboard. If I go and sing to my piano, which is not embarrassing at all, it sings back. You can hear the strings vibrating in sympathy, can't you? I think our encounters, readings, dreams, and synchronicities are something like those vibrating strings, all resonating to the same note. Of course, your conversation with the cosmos is more complex and better in tune, and it has countless layers and harmonies. But ultimately, I do think these all come together into single messages you need to hear in single moments. And probably your dreams and readings and synchronicities and encounters are all resonating together to amplify each one. How are you going to hear this resonance? Sometimes it's unmissable, of course. And sometimes it isn't. And this is why people keep journals. And it's also why your journal needs tags. Here's my journal, and here's the ridiculously simple part. A tag is nothing but a keyword or two for a key element in an experience, like brother, or flying, or socks, or software project. When you apply the same tag across all different kinds of entries, readings, general entries, dreams and synchronicities, this creates a connection between the different experiences. And that's a connection you can explore and follow and see where it leads. Suppose you had 3 things to record in your journal. A reading with hexagram 53, and then a big dream about wild geese. And then the next day a friend of yours says, "I found this feather, I thought you'd like it." You might create the tag goose and add it to each entry. Just from paying attention to these encounters, really noticing them, you're left with a strong awareness of what hexagram 53 means for you personally. Then suppose a year or 3 later you receive hexagram 53 again. You can see in the tag cloud that you've had this hexagram a few times before, and you click the tag to see what it's associated with. And there is your goose tag, and you click to see what entries have that tag, and find your dream and feather synchronicity again. And then, well, then you listen. Pay attention to what's resonating. So we're calling this journal software the Resonance Journal, and I hope you find it helpful.